What is up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach. I'm out here at AXPONA 2023 checking out the Perlisten booth. Yes, these things are all the rage. Today I'm going to be discussing the differences between their series, the S lineup, the R lineup, and their architectural speakers. This is top quality gear, guys. I'm super excited to show it to you.
So one of the most common questions that we get is what's the difference between R line and the S series line? From a tuning perspective, really not much. So there's same flat frequency response, same characterization focused on off-axis response, power response, all of these things that really make a loudspeaker sound great in a room. But also that they share the patented DPC and beamforming type technology, so you still have some of that vertical directivity control, but is largely just some of the materials, cabinet thicknesses, and some of those little tiny things that make a little speaker a little different. The three drivers still have the DPC, silk domes instead of the beryllium and carbon fiber domes. Then the woofers have a 4-part paper cone that has really great damping, great frequency response, second best really only to the Techstream carbon that we're using. And so it has a really nice even sound. A lot of people say the detail and accuracy is still there, but a little more relaxed. And so some of those recordings that maybe not quite as accurately done or well done, a little more forgiving, but both loudspeaker lines have been discussed as being, the character of them is revealing, meaning they have enough accuracy to show exactly what the recording was. You know, if it's a poor recording, it's still going to sound like a poor recording. You can't beat that. But it is a little more forgiving with the silk and the paper cone than it is when you have the beryllium and the carbon fiber, which are super accurate, very detailed, but still have that light and airy feel. And also about 20% less excursion in the R series, a little less sensitivity, but still a very sensitive speaker line. You don't need a lot of power. We do stress on both lines having the most amount of power you can afford. And again, that's because you paid for an extreme amount of dynamic range. You can't utilize it unless you have power. If you don't have power, you're not going to reach that 30 dB peak because you don't have enough amplifier headroom. And you know, you're paying a lot for a great sounding system. You might as well enable every ounce of that linearity. So we really stress power if you can afford it.
All right, guys, that is a wrap on our overview of the differences between the Perlisten lines. Keep in mind, guys, my specialists are on standby waiting to talk with you to explain all of the differences between every speaker manufacturer that we offer, including Perlisten. We are thrilled to be an authorized nationwide dealer for Perlisten and would love to integrate in your dream system. Keep in mind, we can do a variety of different systems, whether it's bookshelf, or we're talking floor standing or architectural. My specialist designs systems to make sure that we maximize the potential of the system and make it work with the design of your home. So reach out today and schedule a free consultation. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and make sure to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.